Hello my dear students. Today in this class you are going to learn about International Place Value System. You have already learned about Indian Place Value System. So Indian Place Value System can be used anywhere inside our country India. But when you go outside the country, worldwide or internationally, we use International Place Value System. So let's see how we can use International Place Value System to read and write large numbers. In many countries, they use international place value systems to read and write large numbers. So in international system, we have 3 periods and 9 places. That is, 9 places are grouped in under 3 periods. So the periods that we have in international place value system are ones, thousands and millions. So you all might have heard about millions, trillions and billions, everything, right? So here the periods, the ones, thousands and millions are called periods. Whereas the places are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So these are called places. So here as you can see, 3 places are grouped under 1 period. That is, in ones period we have ones, tens and hundreds places. In thousands periods we have 1,000, 10,000s and 100,000 places. And in million we have million, 10 million and 100 million. Hope you understood about the places and periods in the International Place Value System. Now let's see how we can read and write a large number using International Place Value Chart. Okay, so here I have taken a number. Let's see how we can write this number on the place value chart. Always you have to remember that you have to start from the right hand side or from the ones place. Okay, both international as well as Indian system, you have to start from the ones place when you write on the chart. So when we write 1 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000s place, 7 in 100,000s place, 2 in millions place, 9 in 10 millions place and 3 is in 100 million place. So this is how you write a number on the International Place Value Chart. Now let's see how we can read this number using comma. For that, first we have to write the places above the digit. So here this is a ones place, this is a tens place, this is hundreds, this is thousand, this is 10,000, this is 100,000, 2 is in the millions place, 9 in the 10 million place and 3 is in the 100 million place. Okay. As I have already told, commas are used to separate periods. So here we have 3 periods mainly, that is ones, thousands and millions, and we have 3 places in each period, that is ones, tens and hundreds in ones, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 in thousands, million, 10 million, 100 millions in million. So first let's start from the ones place. So grouping ones, tens and hundreds, that is ones period, put a comma. Then grouping 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, that is thousands period, put a comma, and then we have million, 10 million and 100 million. So you can see here in each period you have 3 digits. Now let's see how we can write the name of this large number. You have already learned in Indian Place Value System that the digits belonging to the same period is read together along with the period name. That is here, for example, 3, 9 and 2 belongs to the period million. So it is read as 392 millions. And here 754 belongs to the period thousand. So it is read as 754 thousands. And here 8, 0 and 1 belongs to the ones period. So it is read as 801. You have to note that while writing a number name, don't use the period name once. Okay. So this number can be read as 392 millions 754,801. So this number, this given number can be written as 392,754,801. So I hope you understood how to read and write a given number using International Place Value System. Now let's see few more questions related to this. Let's see one more example. I have taken a number here. Let's see how to write this number on the place value chart and how to write with commas and in words. Okay. So starting from the right hand side or from the ones place. 8 is in the ones place. 9 in the tens place. 6 in the hundreds place. 1 thousands place. 5 10,000s place. 0 in 100,000 place, 2 in millions place, and 4 is in 10 millions place. So you have written this number on the place value chart. Now let's see how we can write the number using commas. So for that, write the places above the digits. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay. As commas are used to separate the periods, you have to group each digits according to the periods. So first ones, tens and 100 is in the ones period. So separating that. Then we have 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 in the thousands period. Separating that with comma. So this is how you write this number using commas. Now let's see how we can write the number using the how we can write the numbers in words. Okay, as I have already told, digits in belonging to the same period is read together along with the period name. So here 4 and 2 belongs to million. So it is read as 42 million. So this belongs to million. Now here 0, 5, 1 belongs to the thousands place. 0, 0, 5, 1 means 51. That is 51,000. And 698 belongs to 1. So it is 698. Remember that no need of mentioning ones while writing the number name. So here this belongs to 1000 and this belongs to ones. Now let's write this number in words. So this number can be written as 42,051,698. I hope you understood how to write and read the numbers using International System. Now let's discuss how to write a number name in numbers or in figures. Okay, here I have a number name, that is 7,246,137. So first let's straight away write the numbers. So here it is 7 million. So 7 can be written as 7 and it is million. Million is a period. Okay. Now 246,000. So how can you write 246 in numbers? You can write like this, right? 246 and the period is 1000. So 246 belongs to the period 1000. Now we have 137. How can you write this? 137. As you can see, there is no period mentioned here. So from this you can understand that this 137 belongs to the ones period. Okay, now let's see how we can write these numbers together. Okay, so first for that let's write the places in each period. That is starting from ones place. Ones, tens and hundreds belongs to the ones period. And 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 belongs to the period 1000. And what then next? Million, 10 million and 100 million belongs to the period million. Okay, so let's start from the ones period onwards. As I have told, here 137 its the period name is not mentioned there. So this 137 belongs to the ones place. So how can you write this 137 here? So from this number you can see that 7 belongs to the ones place, 3 belongs to tens and 1 belongs to 100. Next we have 246 in the thousands period. So how can you write 246 in this period? 6 belongs to the thousands period, 4 belongs to 10,000 and 2 belongs to 100,000. Next we have just 7 million. But we have here 3 periods and we only have one number here. So we have to write the number in the lowest place, that is million. So this number can be written as 7 belongs to ones period, 3 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place, 4 in 10,000s place, 2 in 100,000 place and 7 in millions place. Now let's see how we can write this number using commas. Why we have to use comma? Comma is used to separate the periods. So separating from ones period onwards, grouping ones, tens and hundreds, put a comma. Then grouping thousands period, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, put a comma. Now we have the millions. So this is a number to this given number name. Let's discuss one more question. Here we have 12,071,400. So let's start writing the numbers. We have 12 million. How you will write 12? 12 million. We have 71,000. That is 71,400. How you will write 400? 4 and 2 zeros. Okay. So this 400, as you can see, there is no ones place mentioned there. So 400 belongs to the ones period. Next we have 71. 71 belongs to the thousands period and 12 belongs to the millions period. Now let's start writing the numbers on the chart, place value chart. So let's start from 400 onwards. 400, how you will write 400 here? As you can see 400, so 0 belongs to ones, tens and 4 belongs to 100. So 400 can be written as 004. Next we have 71,000. But you can see here there is only two digits here, but in thousands period we have 3 places. So how you will write that? 1 belongs to the lowest place, that is 1000. 7 belongs to the next place, that is 10,000. And 100,000 there is no digit. So what you will do? You will fill it with 0. Okay. So 100,000 place you can fill it with 0. Next we have 12 million here. Here also we have only 2 digits in millions period, but we have 3 places here. So 2 belongs to millions place and 1 belongs to 10 millions place. And 100 million, what you will do? You will fill it with 0. Okay, you will fill it with 0. Okay, understood. So we have filled this number in the place value chart. Now let's put commas to separate the periods. So starting from ones periods, ones, tens, hundreds, separating. Now let's put comma to separate the periods. So starting from the ones periods, separating ones, tens and hundreds, put a comma. Now separate 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, put a comma, and next we have million. So this number can be written as 12,071,400. So I hope you all understood how to write the number name in numbers. So I hope you all understood how to read and write large numbers using International Place Value System. In the next class we will discuss how to compare International and Indian Place Value System. So we will meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye.